Head.
Hit crossing. Hit crossing. Hit crossing. Hit crossing. Ah! Hey! Hey! Hit! Nice shot! Four down! Hit! Nice shot!
Head.
I'll stop them for you, and then you come right behind me and kill the rest of
And we'll have them locked in spawn again.
them. And then I'll switch teams and come clear you all out.
Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, I ate it. Youchie. Woo! Head, got me.
Lock me up.
Hit, got me, dead. Oh man, that went right past my ear. Head! Ah, he did switch. Dead man. Dead man. Hit! Hit, I'm dead, hit. Dead man. See him in that corner?
Right, man. Ow, hit.
Oh, hit. You too. Sorry. Sorry. Hit, dead man.
There are no more respawns. I repeat, no more respawns. If you're walking back to spawn in right now, that is your final option.
Get man.
Hey!
Take them back.
Good man. Ah, hit.
Hey, dude, if you're dead, you're dead. No more respawns.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're good. Just go ahead and walk off.
Alright guys, that's gonna be game over on the field. Game over. Back out, play your team safety on, come back inside.
Fuck you, I don't know.
I've never done wrestling. Go!
Oh, God.
Come on, lads! I was so close.
Hit! Dead man. Get out there, boys. Come on, let's go. I don't want to be trapped in spawn all game.
This guy through here.
Oh, hit. Ow, fuck. Ouchie. Damn, fellas. Rolling deep. We're gonna say goodbye. No, I don't really feel like running. I'll use you as cover, brother. You down for that? Say yell ref coming through.
Let's cross it. Let's cross it. Oh, ref cross it. Hit. Get it out.
Woo! Ouchie! Dead man, dead man, dead man, dead man, dead man, dead man. Hit! Damn it! Slip. Oh, hit. Hit. Push him out before he traps us in here.
Guys, not on that head. Come on. Build up. Oh, I'm playing. Hello, shot. I see him.
Got him. Let's go. Get out.
Move. Come here.
It's not a big deal. Or it's deep off. Go back. Take one back. Take one back.
Friendly. We're clear.
Okay.
Up to the middle.
Okay.
I think they're in the middle.